AI is everything. Trust me, it is not a trend. It is not a phase that will pass. It is an operating system for business, for companies, for individuals now to make a lot of money in this era. What do I mean by AI is everything? We are not talking about AI is going to replace everybody. No, it is not a competition between AI and humans. We're talking about how important is artificial intelligence to humankind. Trust me, you can liken AI to importance of electricity, internet, smartphone. How important are those things that I just mentioned? You agree with me that you hardly can do without them. That is how important AI is to human. There are a lot of things that you can do with artificial intelligence, from inculcating it into your lifestyle. You want to do anything, trust me, AI can do it for you. You are at your workplace, you want to do a lot of work, AI would be able to do it for you. As a matter of fact, some companies are now replacing humans with AI. The reason why they are replacing humans with AI is because of the fact that companies frown at spending a lot of money. So if they see that AI can perform your duty, they will go for it. This is the honest truth. For example, if they are paying you $1,000 to perform some certain tasks per month, and they realize that AI can do that for $20 per month, they're going to go for the AI. This is not being biased. It is the fact that employers do not want to spend money every single time. That is why you realize that employers get angry usually when it's about the time to pay your salary. If you're able to understand how to make use of AI to do your work, you are going to become a super important person everywhere. Everyone now have access to artificial intelligence, from your chat GPT to Gemini, Claude to Grok, from tools that you can use to create videos, without even using video editors. You can use AI to create some simple videos that are engaging. This is what I'm talking about. AI has become your lifestyle. It has become something you cannot do without. How many of you can do some things without consulting AI? It is not bad. It shows that you have been able to understand how to utilize AI. And this is good news for you. The problem is that the fight is between the people who don't know how to use AI and the people who know how to use AI. Someone said that AI is not going to replace human, but AI is going to replace people that don't know how to use AI. And I totally agree with it, because knowledge has been democratized. It is the execution that matters. AI has now become part of us that what usually would take 10 hours to do can now take 5 minutes to do. And that is why speed, time consumption is very key when it comes to what we do as an entrepreneur or as an employee. Every employers want to give you a task that you can perform within few minutes, as against, spending a lot of time doing those things. Because the more time you spend on doing a task, the more money it will consume, the more resources it will consume, either electricity, either internet, and all that. Every resources that I've just mentioned has monetary value attached to it. So a lot of employers frown at spending so much money when it comes to these things. So if AI can perform your tasks within minutes as against spending hours, trust me, there's trouble. So as a smart person in 2026, it is very important that you understand that you need to understand AI literacy. You need to go all in into artificial intelligence. And when we're talking about artificial intelligence, we're not talking about you coding. We're not talking about you learning all the AI tools that are available. No, we're just talking about you being able to have the knowledge of which AI is suitable for what career path you are chasing, or which AI is suitable for what task you want to perform, and being able to inculcate them into your lifestyle. That is exactly what we're talking about when we say AI is everything. You can do literally everything with AI. You can automate your workflow, craft amazing copies, create email sequence. You can design system. You can build internal tools for your organization. You can do literally everything. And that's the beauty of it. And this is not about who can code, who has more knowledge about technical stuff. No, it's about everyone. Anyone who is ready to learn, anyone who is ready to build anything. And this is why I said power has been democratized. Anyone who is ready to execute would change their life this 2026. I hope that you're going to take this video very seriously. I hope to talk more, but I do not want this video to be so long. That is why I am summarizing a lot of things. If you want me to talk about what aspects of AI that will change a lot of things, you can drop your comment below and I'll find time to create videos about it. And that is what we do at Founder Story. You can subscribe to our channel, like, and share this video with your loved one. But trust me, AI is here and it's not going anywhere anymore. It's going to change, and it's changing the face of the nation.